What if I told you the fastest way to make someone like you isn't expensive gifts, it isn't pretending to be someone you're not, and it definitely isn't chasing her every second? In fact, many of the things people do to impress a woman actually push her away. Psychologists have spent decades studying attraction. They've discovered subtle behaviors that naturally increase connection, curiosity, and emotional interest. Today, you'll learn 10 psychological principles that can make you more attractive without manipulation, fake confidence, or cheesy pickup lines. And stay until the end, because the final trick is so simple that almost nobody uses it, yet it can completely change how women remember you. Let's begin. Trick number 1. Stop trying to impress her. Here's something surprising. The more desperate you are to impress someone, the less attractive you often become. Why? Because people unconsciously detect neediness. When every sentence is designed to earn approval, it signals insecurity. Instead, focus on expressing yourself honestly. Share your interests, your opinions, your passions. Confidence isn't proving you're amazing. Confidence is being comfortable without needing constant validation. Ironically, when you stop trying so hard, people become more curious about you. Trick number 2. Use the curiosity gap. Our brains hate unfinished stories. Psychologists call this the Zeigarnik effect. When something feels incomplete, our minds naturally want closure. Instead of revealing everything about yourself immediately, leave room for curiosity. Instead of saying, "I traveled to Japan," try, "I had one of the strangest experiences of my life while traveling." Then pause. Let her ask. People value what they discover, not what they're handed all at once. Mystery creates engagement. Oversharing kills it. Trick number 3. Make her feel seen. Everyone wants to feel understood, not just heard. Notice small details. Maybe she always orders the same drink. Maybe she lights up when talking about her dog. Maybe she smiles differently when discussing family. Mentioning these details later shows genuine attention. Instead of generic compliments, say something specific. "I like how passionate you become when talking about photography." Specific compliments feel authentic. Generic compliments feel copied. People remember those who truly notice them. Trick number 4. Mirror her energy naturally. One of psychology's oldest discoveries is called mirroring. People naturally feel closer to those who subtly reflect their communication style. If she speaks calmly, don't come in with overwhelming energy. If she laughs loudly, allow yourself to match the mood. Notice her pace, her tone, her body language, but don't imitate, that's obvious. Simply let your energy harmonize with hers. Similarity builds comfort. Comfort builds attraction. Trick number 5. Build positive emotional associations. Here's a powerful principle. People often remember how they felt more than what was said. If every interaction with you feels stressful, she'll associate you with stress. But if conversations are playful, lighthearted, and emotionally safe, your presence becomes something her brain enjoys. Laugh together, share interesting stories, explore fun experiences, become connected with positive emotions, because attraction often grows from repeated good feelings. Trick number 6. Have your own life. One of the most attractive qualities is purpose. If your entire world revolves around one person, the relationship starts feeling heavy. Instead, keep growing, exercise, learn, build skills, spend time with friends, chase meaningful goals. People are naturally drawn towards those who already have direction, because purpose creates confidence, and confidence creates attraction. Trick number 7. Don't rush emotional intimacy. Many people sabotage attraction by moving too fast. Instant emotional intensity can feel overwhelming. Trust grows gradually. Think of attraction like climbing stairs. You don't jump to the 10th step. You move naturally. Each conversation adds another layer. Let emotional closeness develop over time. Slow connections often become the strongest ones. Trick number 8. Become emotionally calm. When something goes wrong, don't panic. Don't become jealous. Don't overreact. People subconsciously feel safer around those who remain calm under pressure. Calmness signals maturity. It shows you can handle uncertainty. And emotional security is often far more attractive than flashy confidence. Trick number 9. Make her invest too. Healthy attraction isn't one-sided. If you're always texting first, planning everything, asking every question, the balance disappears. Instead, allow space for her to contribute. Let her choose the restaurant. Ask for her opinion. Let her initiate sometimes. Psychologists have found that people often value what they've invested effort into. Mutual investment creates stronger emotional attachment than one person doing all the work. Trick number 10. Be unforgettable by being authentic. Here's the truth most people never hear. Attraction isn't about becoming everyone's favorite. It's about becoming genuinely memorable to the right person. You don't need fake confidence. You don't need manipulation. You don't need perfect looks. You need authenticity. People can sense when someone is pretending, but they also recognize genuine confidence. When you're comfortable with who you are, you naturally become more attractive, because authenticity is rare, and rare things stand out. Remember, real attraction isn't about controlling another person's feelings. It's about becoming the kind of person others naturally enjoy being around. So instead of asking, "How do I make her like me?" try asking, "How can I become someone who brings confidence, kindness, curiosity, and emotional stability into every interaction?" Because that's the version of you people won't easily forget. Now I want to ask you, which of these psychological principles surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoy psychology, body language, and human behavior, subscribe for more videos every day. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, the strongest attraction always begins with becoming your best self.